Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll guide you through downloading and installing the Pocket FM app, your gateway to a vast library of audiobooks, podcasts, and more. So let's get started. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type Pocket FM Audio Series. Hit search. Look for the app developed by Pocket FM Corp and tap on it. Tap the install button to begin downloading the app. With Pocket FM, you can explore a vast collection of audio series across genres like romance, horror, thriller, and drama. You can also enjoy features like offline listening, personalized recommendations, and an ad-free experience with premium options. After installation, tap Open to launch the Pocket FM app. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the Pocket FM app on your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.